You are born with the identity of a source, that is your parent. But you are to live to find and discover your true identity and what purpose you are meant to fulfill in life, especially in your time. Do you know yourself? Have you ever asked yourself the question, who am I to myself? Of what benefit and usefulness am I to serve to myself and the people around me? Why? Because your true identity is who you think you are to yourself. The true introduction of you to you by yourself. Dr. Miles Monroe said, when purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. Why will you be called by a name and yet you don't know the definition, the explanation, the meaning and the value of your name? The only reason you keep abusing yourself and others around you is because you are yet to understand your identity. You are still identifying yourself with others that are still missing and messing up with their identity out there. Your attitude gives a true expression to your identity. There is no way you can know your true value and worth when you haven't discovered your true identity. People might not be able to see for you what you have not seen in yourself, what you have not seen by yourself. The point is, what have you seen in yourself? How much and how deep do you know yourself? Your identity shows your quality, belief, and personality anywhere you go and anywhere you appear in life. Your identity gives stability to your credibility and integrity anywhere you appear in life. And it also gives you a clue to the gift, potential, and genius that is hidden in you. The point is, what do people identify you with? That is what comes to their mind when they think and remember you. Because no one lives and exists in this life without a specific identity. Finding your true identity gives your life some kind of special meaning and increase your self-esteem, sense of self-worth, and that of self-respect. Finding your true self create an avenue for you to know what works for you part-time, and also helps you to work and live in the true reality of yourself. The day you discover your true identity, the day you discover your true identity is the day you stop living in the shadow of someone else. You begin to find the necessity for the safety and the security of your own discovered identity. The point is here. Your true identity is in you, is with you. Find it, build it, and live in it. When you find your true identity is when you can rise up to claim your right up with absolute humility without creating hostility in the reality of your potentiality, which leads to your productivity in life. Do you know? Did you find out? Have you found out who you truly are? You are an outstanding, phenomenal, unlimited being. Ultimate dignity, full of indisputable excellence, multi-productive seed, idea-fit personality, designed for greatness, limitless potential, fortified with endowment to rule and top your own world. Don't ever in any way see yourself low. Stay away from those thoughts that get you doubting yourself. Stop limiting and restricting yourself. Stop saying you can't when you've got all it takes to lead and rule and top your own world and even beat expectation. Never in any time lose your identity to failure, disappointment, abuse, challenge, and situations around you. Your identity carries weight. Stop wasting your time waiting unnecessarily. Do not in any way, any day exchange your identity for instant compensation and gratification. Remember, your identity is your reputation. Your reputation is your identity. When your identity is lost, your dignity and reputation is dead.